Okay, let's have a go at this Kryptonite. So we've got a Kryptonite 855-156. This is a really, really heavy. They're van locks, aren't they? Supposed to be really, really secure. There's the bit in. There you go. Doesn't really look much to it, but I'm a new picker, so I'm going to give it a go. I've got a 1mm tensioner on a short hook, so let's have a go. I'm going to reset that. That's it. Open. I overset it first time round. Do you know what? That's rubbish. For me, as a new picker, didn't really take much effort. What can I say? Do you know what? It's full of gunk inside as well. I need to give this a clean. I'm gonna do something that I don't do. I'm gonna give it a rake just because it was so easy. Just 2 seconds. I want to see. I want to see if it rakes as easy as it picks, I suppose. But it is heavy. It's heavy to pick in the hand. So there we go. And I'm not a raker. That slipped out, but it's because it was raked. There you go. Opened, picked and raked. Thanks very much.